Isang malaking pagbabago ang naging pambungad ngayon sa ika-49 season ng PBA Governors Cup. Alamin natin sa ulat ni Rafael Banderel.
PBA, it's great to have you back. This is the PBA Season 49 Governors Cup.
Simula na naman ang aksyon sa nangungunang liga ng basketball sa bansa. Yan ay dahil nagbukas na ang Season 49 PBA Governors Cup nitong linggo ng gabi sa Araneta Coliseum. Buena mano ngayong season ang bakbakan sa pagitan ng Meralco Bolts at Magnolia Hotshots. Ngayong conference, may mga bagong pakulo ang PBA, tulad na lang ng bagong regular season format at ang pagkakadagdag ng 4-point line sa laro. Sa second quarter, gumawa ng kasaysayan si Chris Banquero bilang kauna-unahang manlalaro na nakapagtala ng opisyal na 4-point shot.
Good to be in the history books, but yeah, it's just a little bit further than it was last conference, so it's not that crazy for me, but it's good. Yeah, I'm happy I'm in. Well, yeah, of course you got to adjust to it because it's a big play. 4 points is, could put you back in the game, and we were only up by 4 points, so they could have hit one and gave it a chance. So, it's fun playing with it. So we'll see how it goes this conference and see if they want to keep it.
Sinikap mang makipagsabayan ng hotshots sa dulo, wagi ang Bolts, 99-94. Naniniwala ang head coach ng Meralco na si Luigi Trillo na posibleng magsilbing sandata ang 4-point shot para sa ilang mga koponan ngayong season.
We don't know really the final solution or answers here, but it will explore as the games get by. Right? But you notice some of our players back in some 4 points. We have confidence in them. They can make it. If it's an open shot, we'll allow them to make it.
Dahil naman sa bagong regular season format, halos araw-araw magkakaroon ng laro sa PBA mula ngayon hanggang Setyembre. Magpapatuloy ang aksyon bukas kung saan tampok ang isang doubleheader, Blackwater versus Rain or Shine, na susundan naman ng Northport versus TNT. Rafael Banderel para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.